Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be introducing a new hobby to the channel, which is mountain biking. And so today I just want to go and do like a little bike check, just to talk to you guys about my Trek mountain bike, and yeah, just see how I like it. So let's get into it. Here she is in all her glory. This is my 2016 Trek Superfly 7 hardtail mountain bike. This one is my race bike, so it's primarily used for racing and practices. I'm in the NICA League, and they do 3 races a year, so that's pretty much what I'll be using this for. So, starting off, I guess we'll start at the front. The first thing we'll look at is the fork. So this bike comes with a Fox 32 Performance float fork. It's been really good so far. I've had no issues with it. It's really solid. I haven't had to rebuild it or anything since the factory, so it's a really nice fork. It goes really well for bike. Moving on to the wheels. These are Trek Mustang Light TR, or I'm sorry, Bontrager Mustang Light TR wheels. I believe these are aluminum. They're really nice. They're pretty light. Yeah, I haven't had any problem with these either. Moving on to the tires. These are Maxxis Ardent Race, the 3C tires. I believe they're medium compound. These I just put on the bike a couple months ago, and they've held up really well so far. I really like the tread design. They're set up tubeless currently, so I can pretty much run whatever PSI I want, and they'll hold up. So yeah, they're really nice. Moving on to the brakes. These are Shimano hydraulic brakes. They don't have a name. They're not like XTs or anything, but they work really well. They seem pretty solid, so yep. Alright, moving on to the frame. The frame size is a 27.5 small. Now, I'm pretty short, so this bike fits me quite well. I think I might be going to a 29er next season, but we'll see. So one upgrade I did put onto them was the Ritchie WCS locking grips. They just match the frame and they look really nice. So here is here's the bar, just a Bontrager bar. I'm not exactly sure what the specs are on it, but it seems pretty nice. I've got it drops. That's the way I like to ride it. So all the cables in this bike are internally routed, which is really nice. It's a feature I've never had in a bike before. So it's really easy to get it on a bike rack and such. Moving on to kind of the bottom bracket area, we have a 2-ring cassette in the front. This big one is a 3622, and the cranks are full speed ahead. I think they're I'm not sure, 182 or something like that millimeters. The pedals are just cheap clipless pedals, Shimano something or others. They've held up pretty well. The front derailleur is a Shimano Dior. I'm thinking about doing a 1x conversion on this bike just because I really don't drop down in the little gear that much. So yeah, we'll see about that. The saddle is a Bontrager Rhythm Elite. Or I'm sorry, no, the seat post is a Bontrager Rhythm Elite. I think it's 27.2 millimeters. I've been thinking about getting a dropper for this bike, but it's really hard to find one in this size, so I'll see about that one. But it's a good seat post, nice and light. The saddle is stock. I believe it's Bontrager Rhythm series as well. Alright, moving on down here, the rear derailleur is a Shimano XT Shadow Edition. It's a really nice derailleur. I've had no problems with it. It's really fast, nice clutch. yeah, that's pretty nice. It has a 10-speed Shimano cassette in the rear. It's got a decent range for what it has right now, but if I think I do a wind-by conversion up in the front, then I might try and do an 11-speed conversion. But yeah, so see about that. And the back brake is just the same as the front, just Shimano generic hydraulic brakes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the bike check. It's just a really solid bike. It's really fast, corners well, it handles amazingly. It weighs just under 25 pounds, which is actually quite good for an aluminum frame bike. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I don't think I left anything out, so there's that. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please like and share. If you didn't, just give me some feedback down in the comments. I mean, this is a different style video. I've never tried doing anything like this before. If you guys want just to stay primarily RC channel, then I'm cool with that. I can do that and just maybe create a second channel for biking and whatnot. But yeah, so thank you for watching.